didn't even know the same height. Right?
Left.
Too heavy to move.
Here we go, guys. We are cutting the brooch. We are blowing the chippies off the brooch. Now the beginning of this had that 1/2 inch, maybe it was a 5, that's a 5/8 slice in there. Now we're cutting to 3/8.
About that deep.
That deep. Probably been easier to do this with a file and drill bits and a hacksaw.
Chisel.
Chisel, oh, you use a chisel? Okay. I'm learning.
Did that have Fred Flintstone in it?
Well, he was cutting the tires on his Flintstone mobile, wasn't he? Are we cutting the bearings for the tires on the Flintstone mobile? This thing's an antique. I don't know where the big, oh, here's the collar over here. Just kind of sitting here. It gets heated up to what, 750 degrees? That's what we're gonna probably do, but we'll probably put these in better timing. That's, oh. They're kind of roly-poly. So it's coming along. This is, I think this is 4 3/4 and this is 5. I'm not sure. The old one's like 4 3/4.
I never measured.
Anyhow, that's what we're going for there. All right, where's the collar upstairs?
Yeah, the nut and the outboard collar.
I'll go up and get it. We're just.
Somewhere or another, we gotta get them pins knocked out in that thing and lay out.
Yeah. How'd you lay out for the pins on yours? Do you recall?
Nope, wasn't too long.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this anywhere.
Yeah, but 100% of the time we're 1% right? Not sure about that. Let me go.
Comes with all these little ones.
But no big ones.
We end up making like this big because.
That was for the blower, right?
Yeah, because Mr. John, he likes to make big ones.
Yeah, don't mess around with that little stuff. That little stuff is for wimps, isn't it? We're not making a watch here. Well, maybe we are. That's the cut off part for the that piece that we got. Might make an outer. No, that's too big a hole for the outer collar. Let me see if I got what it's got to match up here. Uh-oh, don't listen to that music. You don't hear nothing there now, do you? Oh, where did he? Here it is. Oh, Lordy. Okay, hold your ears again. I'll try to talk over that so they don't. He got him. You don't hear nothing now, do you? I ain't got enough hands. So it's only going to get cut down a little bit.
It's too big, right? It's better, man.
Yeah. About 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, about 1/4 of an inch. That's just right. That's what we're going for. Then it'll get faced across a whole new one, and then the last cut will go with that on there. That's what this look like now. Chippy. We got to put that in upstairs in the cut that in the upstairs in the press. That might be interesting to watch.
Then we got to do all this work to make one.
Yeah, all this work for one. Anyhow, that's a 5-minute. Go get a soda, take a break. This is your commercial. We'll come back to another one in 5 minutes. So I'm the only YouTuber that gives people their own personal commercials. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.